Guys, so I'm here with a really quick video to share with you my little secret on how I've been growing out my hair. I'm so sorry that I don't have any updated pictures on my hair as yet, but if you guys are familiar with my channel, then you know that maybe 2 years ago I just cut off all my hair. For the second time I did a big chop because my hair was just damaged and I kept, just putting relaxers in it, and I'm over it. So I've been taking HAIRFINITY, and I used to use it 2 years ago as well, but I've stopped taking it for one reason only, is because I was breaking out. And the only reason why I was breaking out from it is because I wasn't drinking enough water. So now that I drink way more water due to health issues, and I'm just always thirsty now, so I really drink that ass, like I drink a gallon of water a day. So I figured I can start up my HAIRFINITY again. So this bottle right here, I haven't even touched yet because I had some left over from before, and it really does help grow your hair out. I'm not going to get into all of the specs about HAIRFINITY. I'll just leave all the information down below in the description box so you guys can just read up on it and, read other people's reviews and just check it out for yourself. So I did receive this courtesy of HAIRFINITY, and yeah, it does work. So besides the fact that I got the HAIRFINITY, this is why I really wanted to try it around this time, because they also have, I don't know if you guys are familiar, but they have a shampoo and they also have a conditioner. So I've been using this. I really think that this is what is growing my hair out. Now, when I first started using it, this is the conditioner here. It's like almost gone. I don't know if you guys can see that. And this is the shampoo. I don't use much of the shampoo because I really don't need it. I don't need that much. But conditioner, I love conditioning my hair. And so the first time, I could just tell you, the first time that I used the shampoo and the conditioner, my scalp was so daggone itchy. Like, I would say like 2 days later, it was just like I could not deal with an itchy scalp. So I'm like, is it itchy because this stuff is working? I never really read up on it, but I just was like, you know what? I'm going to still try it. I'm going to give it a try. So I used it maybe about 5 times since I got it. And I actually really like it now. I guess my scalp had to get used to it, but it really does work. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. It's just one thing that I've been doing to grow out my hair. And if you guys want to know like what else I do, just leave a comment down below in the comment section. If you guys are, thinking about big chopping and you just don't know what to do. Hold on, my phone's ringing. Okay, so I'm back. That was my sister calling. So I know you guys are looking at my hair like, bitch, that ain't all your hair. No, it's not all my hair. I have this weave hair wrapped around my ponytail, but I came on here with my natural hair out so that I can show you guys what my hair, why I can do that now. Before the HAIRFINITY pills and before the shampoo and conditioner, like I said, I did big chop my hair, but my hair was growing so slowly, and right in here in the middle of my head, it was so short that I couldn't even put it all back into a ponytail. I would say my hair is about, shoulder length now. If you stretch it out, it's shoulder length. It's all natural. I don't have any chemicals in my hair right now, so I'm loving that. And yeah, so now I'm able to put my hair back in a ponytail and an updo, and I don't have to wear these wigs, and it's too hot for wigs. So I'm so grateful that I'm able to do more stuff with my natural hair, that I don't have to really worry about all the hot weave and all of that stuff. So yeah, if you guys are interested, again, all the information to these products will be down below in the description box. And yeah, let me know if you guys have tried it. Just let me know down below, and I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.